Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card to WOLFANG GA400 camera. To do this, we'll need to open a hatch on the bottom, and you can do it by clicking on this button right here and pushing your hatch to the right, just like that. Now it should open, and inside you can find the SD card slot. It's located right here. Take SD card and align it, I think like that, and now push it into the slot. Use something thin on your fingernail to lock it in, and here's the SD card inserted. In case you want to remove it, you will need to push on the SD card, and it should go out like that. Now we can simply slide it out. Okay, so I would recommend to actually remove the battery to exchange SD card, because it's not that easy to remove it. Okay, so it went out, but it's very tricky, and yeah, as you can see, I had a little problem removing it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.